Hi, Ethan McConkey here with Absolute Mortgage with some important info to help you grow your business. To have success in a shifting market, it's paramount you professionally bridge the gap between buyers and sellers. With fluctuating interest rates, buyers feel fatigue and payment shock. Sellers have seen substantial appreciation in the last 2 to 4 years, and now they have unrealistic expectations on their home's value. We all know the "my neighbor got this price" story. Right now in the Pacific Northwest, mortgage rates are historically low. I love to show you how to conquer this shift by correctly using the seller buy-down strategy. I will show you the exact tactics needed to put more money in your seller's pocket and save buyers money with a below-market interest rate, all while retaining full agent commissions. The best part is this strategy positions you as the advisor. If you want to hear more or schedule a strategy session, just give me a call. I'd love to help you out.